Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X6a and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. Let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. Now let's tap on Language and Input and tap on Language and Region at the top. And as you can see, here we've got the list of all currently applied languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on Add Language. And here we should have the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got plenty of them to choose from. So simply find the language you'd like to apply and tap on it. And let me pick maybe Greek. Just tap on it. Your device will ask you if you really want to change the system language. So let's simply tap on Change. And as you can see, our newly added language will immediately appear at the very top of the list, and from now on the whole menu will be displayed in the chosen language. Of course, if you've got 2 or 3 languages here, you can reorder them to change the language. You don't have to enter the full language list. So all you have to do is to tap on the language, hold it, and then drag it to the first position. And it will be immediately applied and set as a default one. If you want to, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on the Delete option, mark the language you want to remove, and tap on Remove. Tap on OK. And as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.